Hey everyone, on this driveway tips, here's a quick video on how to remove and replace the head unit in your BMW 7 Series, G11, or G12. Keep in mind that our DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit make this easy.
With the BimmerTech Trim Tool in your hands, remove this side panel here. Remove the two T20 screws holding the dash trim in place. Use a trim tool to carefully pop off the dash trim. Remove this plug on the side by pulling, and this one by pinching in the center and pulling. Using a pick tool might help. Pinch and pull these two. This last one is a little obnoxious, but start by pressing the tab on this white connector with a pick tool to slide it away. This will give you access to the last connector that you could pull up with a pick tool. Remove the dash trim and set it aside. With a trim tool, lift up and out these two metal retaining tabs. Whoops! Well, don't worry, if this happens, you can get it back later. With a trim tool or your fingers, use these two access holes to pop out the controls. Pull out this connector. A pick tool can help if it's tight. For this one, pinch in the sides and pull. Set the controls aside. Now for the head unit. Remove the two T20 screws holding it in place. Pull it out. Make sure you have your center console protected so you don't scratch it.
Now for the reinstallation. On this vehicle, you might see a couple different connectors and wires that you didn't see before. That's because on this car, we installed our MMI Pro. To learn more about this, go head on over to our website. But since those little clips can be annoying, here's the reinstallation. Again, when you get to the part where your connectors might look different, just use your factory ones.
Slide the head unit back in. It's tight, so it may take you a few tries. Once the head unit is in place, replace the two T20 screws. Plug the main controls back in place and snap the unit back in. Snap in those rather obnoxious clips like so. Next, plug in the start button on the dash trim. Now plug in the other 36 connectors for the dash trim. Follow along. You may find it easier to remove the hazard light button cluster for easier installation. Snap it back in and reinstall the two screws. Articulate the side panel back into place. You may find it easier to peel back the weather stripping first. Once it's snapped in, push the weather stripping back into place.
And that's how you remove and replace the head unit on your BMW 7 Series, G11, or G12. What would you like to see in driveway tips next? Let us know in the comments below. Again, this install is easy with our BMW DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit, so get yours today.